On today's video, I'm gonna show you how not to f up turkey.
To make the perfect turkey, you gotta start with the perfect brine. First, stick that giant bird down into a food-safe plastic bag and cover it with a whole bag of our instant turkey brine mix. I like to use the whole bag here. It really helps with moisture and flavor. Now cover it with some distilled water. Tap water works well too. Now mix that giant sack of turkey. That's right, I said sack. Refrigerate this for 24 hours or 1 hour per pound of meat.
All right, so we're fresh out of the brine, 24 hours. This is where the gold is. If you want to inject it, this is your time. So what we got going on here is a tie and tuck. We tie the legs and tuck the wings, just like that. Just bend that little dude right under there. Now, we get to rubbing. Don't be afraid to get in there. Get all them little nooks and crannies. You can even go under the skin if you want. I would recommend that. Don't be bashful here. And if you want to get under the skin, just reach in right here. You can pour you some rub in your hand, just like that. Grab that little dude, get in there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, son. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, squeal, baby. All right, now we'll finish her up. Like I said, don't be bashful here. Get in all them nooks and crannies. You got one shot at this. You got to impress the in-laws. Don't mess this up. Throw a little down in the hole. Flip her over. This is the tuck. Just get that little dude. Boom, just like that. You'll thank me later. Now flip her back over. All right. Pat her down. Get her looking good.
Now today we're going to cook this turkey on the Traeger at 275 degrees until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Now if you're in a hurry, crank it up to 325.
All right, so we got her pulled off. We pulled it at 165. You pull it at 165 in the thigh, in the breast. Your call. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You didn't hear it here. Now, we're going to hit this sucker with a little cherry habanero. Cherry.
Go ahead,
Jesus Christ. I'm drunk. And now we're going to glaze it with a little bit of cherry apple habanero glaze. Man, I'm gonna tell you right now, this not only looks amazing, it smells absolutely stellar. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Ooh. Look at that juice, just pouring out of there. Come on now, that's what I'm talking about. Now this is gonna be the turkey that your family is gonna absolutely go crazy for. You can taste the dirty bird, you can taste the brine, you can taste every aspect of this, and the glaze just sends it over the top. So hey, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. And now we're gonna sauce it. No, sorry. Everybody be serious. And now we're gonna glaze it with a little bit of cherry. Here we go. This thing's gonna shine like a diamond in a stripper's ass.